In Kendall's warm and sunny climate, energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners looking to stay comfortable while minimizing energy costs. Bay windows, with their expansive design and architectural appeal, offer an excellent opportunity to enhance the beauty of your home while improving its energy performance. When customized with energy-efficient features, bay windows can be a smart investment for Kendall homes, offering style, comfort, and sustainability. Here's why energy-efficient bay windows are the perfect fit for Kendall's warm weather and how they can benefit your home. Maximizing natural light without overheating. One of the most appealing features of bay windows is their ability to flood a room with natural light. While this brightens up your living spaces, excessive sunlight can lead to overheating and increased cooling costs in Kendall's tropical climate. Energy-efficient solution. Low-E glass coatings. Low emissivity, low-E coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light to pass through. This prevents your rooms from becoming uncomfortably warm while reducing the strain on your air conditioning. Tinted glass. Subtle tinting can further block solar heat gain while maintaining a clear view of the outdoors. These features let you enjoy the natural beauty of Kendall's sunny weather without compromising indoor comfort. Reducing heat transfer. Bay windows consist of multiple panes and frames that extend outward from your home's structure. Without proper insulation, they can be a significant source of heat transfer, making it harder to maintain a stable indoor temperature. Energy-efficient solution. Double or triple glazing. Multiple layers of glass with air or gas, like argon or krypton, between them provide excellent insulation, reducing heat transfer. Insulated frames. Frames made from materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or wood with thermal breaks prevent heat from passing through, ensuring better energy efficiency. With these features, bay windows can help keep your home cooler during Kendall's warmest months. Enhancing ventilation. Proper ventilation is crucial in a humid climate like Kendall's to maintain indoor air quality and comfort. Bay windows are often designed with operable side windows, which can be opened to allow fresh air to circulate. Energy-efficient solution. Casement or awning side windows. These styles create a tight seal when closed and provide excellent airflow when open, helping to naturally cool your home without relying solely on air conditioning. This dual functionality adds to the energy efficiency of bay windows by reducing the need for mechanical cooling. Lowering cooling costs. Energy-efficient bay windows can significantly reduce your reliance on air conditioning, leading to noticeable savings on energy bills. Key features that help. Reflective glass films. Reflect UV and infrared rays, keeping your home cooler and protecting interior furnishings from fading. Proper sealing and installation. Ensures no air leaks, which can undermine the energy-saving benefits of your bay windows. By reducing energy waste, these windows help you save money while staying comfortable in Kendall's warm weather. Increasing home value. Energy efficiency is a top priority for today's homebuyers, particularly in regions with warm climates like Kendall. Installing energy-efficient bay windows can make your property more attractive and valuable. How they add value. Energy-efficient features appeal to eco-conscious buyers. Lower energy bills make your home more cost-effective to own. Stylish bay windows enhance curb appeal, creating a strong first impression. These advantages not only improve your current living experience but also provide a solid return on investment if you decide to sell your home. Durability for Kendall's climate. Kendall's humid and storm-prone weather can take a toll on standard windows, leading to warping, cracking, or reduced efficiency. Energy-efficient bay windows are built to withstand these challenges. Durable materials. Vinyl and fiberglass frames resist moisture, warping, and rot, ensuring longevity in humid environments. Impact-resistant glass protects your home during storms while maintaining energy efficiency. These durable features ensure your bay windows remain functional and attractive for years to come, even in Kendall's challenging climate. Customization to match your style. Energy-efficient bay windows don't sacrifice style for functionality. You can customize them to complement your home's unique architectural design and color scheme. Customization options. Choose frame materials, colors, and finishes to match your home's exterior. Add decorative grills or unique shapes to enhance visual appeal. Select glass styles, such as frosted or tinted, to achieve the perfect balance of aesthetics and energy performance. This flexibility allows you to enjoy the benefits of energy-efficient windows while enhancing your home's beauty. Professional installation for optimal results. Even the best energy-efficient bay windows won't perform as intended without proper installation. Gaps, misalignment, or poor sealing can lead to air leaks and reduced efficiency. Why professional installation matters. Ensures a perfect fit and proper sealing to maximize insulation. Guarantees the structural integrity of the outward protruding design. Provides peace of mind with warranties and expert craftsmanship. Hiring experienced professionals ensures your bay windows deliver their full energy-saving potential and maintain their performance over time. Final thoughts. Energy-efficient bay windows are an ideal solution for Kendall's warm climate, combining functionality, style, and sustainability. By reducing heat transfer, maximizing natural light, and lowering cooling costs, these windows enhance your home's comfort while saving you money. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current windows or add a striking new feature to your home, energy-efficient bay windows are a valuable investment. Work with a trusted window installation professional in Kendall to design and install the perfect bay windows for your home, ensuring lasting performance and beauty.